I've been working here since 1973. I've worked throughout the whole mill. I've done just about everything from the beginning of making wire to the end of making rope and shipping it.
Okay.
Well, when I got out of school, I wasn't really interested in going to college, and manufacturing was big, and they were hiring here, and I came here to get a job and enjoyed what I did. And my job here is I'm the team leader. I'm in charge of the wire mill, where we produce wire to make the rope in the rope mill.
Yes, I do enjoy my job. It's a challenge every day. It's enjoyable to work with a lot of people and interesting work. Unlike Steve, I don't have quite the years he has. I've been here since 1997. I have a wealth of knowledge in my business in rope mill, but 20 years. Rope mill leader. I direct the workforce. I have 5 foremen that directly work under me, and we work as a team to make all the array of products that was mentioned earlier.
Yeah, I do. I really do. About 4.5 years. Well, I have been working in construction for 20 years, and being on the road all the time, being away from family, this gave me an opportunity to be home every night with my family, which is real important. I'm Director of Environmental Safety and Health.
Most days I enjoy my job. Some days it's pretty stressful and a little bit more challenging and stressful. Came here in 1974. Well, I got out of school and was looking for a job and was recruited as part of the management team here at the time Bethlehem Wire Rope. Wire Rope has been here since 1886. So we're talking about 132 years. And it started here because of the lumber industry.